everyone, this is Vicky Huang from Bay Street Group. Welcome to this one of the most vibrant and lively area in the city, the Junction. The Bay Street Group is thrilled to bring to you the first look of the House of Assembly, the first phase of the Sterling Junction, one of the most highly anticipated developments by Marlin Spring. The perfect transit scores of 100, it doesn't go any better. It rivals the Union Station for transit and accessibility. You are just steps away from the Dundas West and Lansdowne subway station. The Bloor GO station and the UP Express are only 500 meters away. Transfer here with easy connections to the GO station, the TTC streetcars, and the subway lines. Plus, travel to the downtown Union Station in just 8 minutes and the Pearson Airport in under 20 minutes. On average, the master-planned communities experience the faster price appreciation than the single-building projects. Buying now allows you to benefit from buying in the earliest possible stage of the multi-year and highly anticipated development. The House of Assembly is the first new development in an area with thousands of units being introduced to the market in the next few years. So don't wait until this secret is out. So if you are interested in this project, please contact Bay Street Group agents to register for the first access. The future starts here at House of Assembly.